Digital Zen Garden. Finding peace in CAD animations. Have you ever watched something being built and felt strangely at peace? Perhaps it was a skilled craftsperson patiently assembling a piece of furniture, or a time-lapse of a building rising from the ground. This sense of calm, of witnessing order emerge from chaos, is surprisingly present in the world of computer-aided design, or CAD. CAD animations, showing the creation of an object from scratch, can be surprisingly therapeutic. The precise movements, the smooth transitions, the way each part seamlessly slots into place, all contribute to a sense of order and control that's often missing in our hectic lives. It's like watching a digital Zen garden being meticulously created, piece by digital piece. There's a certain beauty in the precision of engineering design. Every line, every curve, every dimension serves a purpose. It's this meticulous attention to detail, this quest for functional perfection, that gives CAD animations their unique appeal. So let us delve deeper into the stages of this digital ballet and uncover the calming rhythm of creation. The first seeds of design, from mind to digital paper. Every creation, whether a physical object or a digital design, starts with an idea. A spark of inspiration that needs a place to take shape. In the realm of CAD, this initial step involves sketching out the basic concept. Think of it as laying down the first lines in the digital sand. These early sketches are rudimentary, capturing the essence of the design without getting bogged down in specifics. It's about capturing the core idea, the soul of the object, before giving it a concrete form. Circles become wheels, squares transform into housings, and lines hint at the connections yet to be made. This stage is about freedom and exploration. There are no constraints of feasibility or practicality yet, just the pure joy of creation. This pure, unadulterated expression of an idea is the first step in our journey towards digital serenity. It's the calm before the meticulous storm of creation. Nurturing the form, refining lines, and embracing simplicity. Section 4. The intricacies of creation, adding detail and complexity with care. Section 5. Breathing life into design, rendering, and the art of digital realism.